Earlier this year I tried a little experiment, because while I was digging over the ground where potatoes used to be the year before, I found a few potatoes that I missed, a couple of little reds, and although they've been in ground all that year and all winter before I dug them up, I thought, I wonder if I replant them we'll get anything out of it, because they cost nothing. And I just thought, I'll stick them in a box, see what happens. If I get nothing, I've lost nothing. If I get something, that's a bonus. Well, the tops of those plants have all died back now, and they never got really big, to be fair. Probably about this size. They've been pretty much struggling all year, but now they've completely gone. So I'm going to have a look and see what's in it. And I only put about that much compost in this box, so I thought, if I put a potato in there and get 2 or 3 back, it's got to be worth effort. Let's go and have a look. So this is that planter that I was talking about. It's only a small planter, but I only half filled it with compost as well, because I didn't think anything would come out of it. It was just to see if it would happen, and we've had some growth, but that's all gone now. This one, again, it's completely gone. So considering it were 3 potatoes that I found in ground that I put in a minimum amount of compost, it'll be interesting just to see if we get anything at all. So I'm just going to tip it out and see if there is anything. Definitely lots of wood lice. Well, that's a little red potato. Another small one. And that's the original seed potato that I put in. Oh, there's another. So not bad, really. Dig in a bit more. Two more. And that's the other seed potato. Yuck. Another small one. And I think that's it. And now I can use some of this soil in smaller containers to plant my Christmas potatoes. I'll just add a little bit of fish blood and bone to this, and then we'll be good to go. Just make sure we get these tiny ones out, because they will try and regrow. So we've got 1 tub full of compost for free. And now we've got 2. So we didn't get a lot from that container, but the point was, it was a couple of old seed potatoes that I found buried in the ground earlier this year when I was digging it over. And we planted 2 in a container, and we've got 10 back, albeit small, but they're still perfectly usable in salads. So as I always say, something is always better than nothing. So now we can re-amend that compost that we've split into 2 separate containers, and we can get there's Christmas potatoes planted in there now. We're going to be using potatoes that I've already harvested from garden this year. We'll try that, see if we can get them to chit and grow some more potatoes. And if that works, that means the seed potatoes have cost me nothing. The compost has been reused from a previous container. So whatever I get is going to be something for nothing. If you want to see what other containers we empty over the next few weeks, then please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you there. You all take care. Thank you for watching.